Day 22 of building an AI startup in 120 days. Let me take you back to primary school. Remember those multiple choice exams where we'd mark our answers on a strip of paper like A, B, C, D? After the test, the teacher would sit down, match every sheet to their marking script, and then count the scores for each pupil, and then tabulate results for the whole class. It took ages, right? Now imagine this. If after the exam, the teacher would have each student place their paper on the side of the desk, come around taking photos of each, and by the time they are done with the last student, an AI model would have already marked the scripts and already tabulated the results. So that can be done automatically. No tedious manual marking, no errors, just instant results. That's the power of document intelligence. So this isn't just for schools. Document intelligence is transforming industries by automating data collection and processing. Let me give you another example of where document intelligence can be used. Have you ever gone to a business where they're either taking cash and giving receipts? Now, the business usually retains a copy of the receipt. So does it mean that someone at the end of the day has to sit down and manually do data entry on all those receipts one by one? Now, what document intelligence can do is you can train your AI model based on the format of your receipt so that at the end of the day, or even as transactions happen, you just take a photo of it and it can recognize the name of the customer ID, the transaction ID. It can recognize the goods that have been bought, and the amounts, or whatever format you want, and it can put that in an Excel sheet and everything, and that can go back into your system. So again, I think it provides a lot of opportunities, especially for businesses in commerce that deal with a lot of paperwork. So in retail, it can scan receipts to track inventory and sales in real time. In government offices, it can digitize forms to speed up processes of applications. And in architecture and QS, it can extract data from blueprints and bill of quantities to reduce errors. So it's about taking repetitive tasks out of your plate and letting AI handle them. So why does it matter? Whether it's marking exams or managing construction documents, document intelligence doesn't just save time, it reduces human error and ensures accuracy. Imagine applying this technology to transform workflows so that you can focus on what really matters, so that is creating, designing, or even teaching. So document intelligence takes the hard work out of data processing. And how do you think this could be useful in your field?